everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a mug using the new Cricut Mug Press. Here's a quick list of supplies that you will need to make these mugs. You will need the mug press, a Cricut machine, some Infusible Ink, some heat resistant tape, some Cricut mugs in either the 12 ounce or the 15 ounce, heat resistant tape, some tweezers are optional, and also a heat mat. It uses infusible ink which infuses directly into the mug, and that process makes them dishwasher and microwave safe and permanent. The mug press is easy to use as it has a one-touch setting, and I'm really excited to show you how it works. First, let me show you how to set up the mug press machine. In Design Space, go up to the hamburger menu, which are these three lines here. Then go to New Product Setup. I'm going to select Heat Press and then Cricut Mug Press. Now it will go through a few steps. It will say plug it into the wall outlet and then power on the Cricut Mug Press. And then it will say to use the USB cord and connect the mug press to your computer. Then I'm going to select Continue. Go down to the bottom and read the Terms of Use and Privacy Policy, and then when happy, agree to those terms and conditions. Click Activate. It will start to do an update, and then it's ready. Now we are ready to make our mug design in Cricut Design Space. First, go to Projects and over in the search field type in mug. There are lots of designs that you can choose from, but for this tutorial I'm going to make my own design. So I find Design Setup and click on it. You'll see that there is a section here that is Finish Sizes. You can see the different designs and sizes. With Cricut mugs, there are two sizes you can choose from, a 12 ounce or a 15 ounce. The mugs I'm using today are 15 ounce, so I'll be using a template for the 15 ounce mug. There are a few edges to choose from here. You could have a straight edge, a rippled edge, a scalloped edge, a wavy edge, and a zigzag edge. Today I'm going to choose the large straight edge. Then I come down to the bottom and select Customize. Now what you see is a template with 3 layers. The teal rectangle is the actual mug wrap, so anything within this layer is going to be infused into your mug. This outline layer here is a guide for the wrap. You'll see later on that it will help you place the wrap evenly on the mug. Now this last layer here in red is to help you place your design. If you look over here in the layers panel, you will see that the layer says hide this layer before cutting. This section here will be the front of the mug, so if you were to hold your mug with your right hand, you put the design on this side. This section here is the side of the mug, so the handle would be towards the back. And this section here is the left of the mug. So if you were left-handed, this would be the front side, and if you were right-handed, this would be the back of the mug. Okay, so let's do some designing. I go up to Images and search for Rise and Shine. I really like this one, so I'm going to add it to my canvas. I then search for Animal Spot and add this one to my canvas also. I am right-handed, so we'll be making sure that the phrase is as close to the left side as possible. With the animal print, I'm just going to go ahead and resize to fit the mug, and then I will go down to Contour. Here I will hide the square, which should now only show as the animal print design. I hide the red layer, then select the remaining layers and tap on Attach. Now we are ready to cut it out, so go up to Make It. I am using the Cricut Joy today, but you could use any of the Cricut machines. Here I select On Matte and then Done. Make sure you remember to mirror the image by tapping on the mirror button and then continue. Browse all materials and search for Infusible Ink and then go ahead and make it. I am using the purple watercolor splash infusible ink for this project. Infusible ink is usually wrapped in a black plastic because it is light sensitive. This box comes with a 2-pack. It is best to remove the mat from the infusible ink so you don't damage the design. Remove the outside part and then gently roll to loosen the cutouts. On either side are these cutouts that you need to remove. It will help stick the wrap down to your mug. Now go through and weed all the parts you don't want infused into the mug. With this design, I am weeding the opposite of what I normally would. I'm weeding the actual image. And this is what you are left with. I turn on my mug press to let it heat up while I add my transfer to the mug. Here's the Cricut Mug Blanks. This is a 15 ounce or 425 milliliter mug and it comes in a 2-pack. The first thing I do is run my lint roller along the mug to clean it so I can get a better transfer. Then I am going to add my transfer sheet. Make sure the coloured side is against your mug. The best way to do this is make sure your mug is standing up and center the wrap so there is equal amounts of wrap on each side of the mug. After that, you just want to add some heat resistant tape where it is needed to make sure that the wrap is secure. I like to add some on the top and the bottom of the mug, making sure to pull tight. If the wrap moves during the heating process, you could get ghosting where there would be double lines. When the mug press is heated, there will be a little green light. Make sure the lever is up and place your mug in with the handle towards you. When you're happy with the placement, pull down the lever. As you can see here, there are 5 little dots. Once all 5 are lit up, that means the mug press is done. I would say that would take about 10 minutes. Once it's done, lift the lever up and pull out the mug using only the handle. Be careful not to touch the mug itself as it's very hot. Then turn off your machine so it cools down. I like to place the mug on top of a heat mat just to cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Do not remove the transfer sheet until it is completely cooled down. Once it's cooled down, you can take off the tape and remove the transfer sheet. Showing you the final reveal is my most favorite part of this tutorial. I am so happy with how this mug turned out. The colors are incredibly vibrant and it looks like I have complete coverage. One of the best things about this mug is that it is dishwasher and microwave safe. The ink is infused into the mug and you can't feel it on the top like you would vinyl, so it's going to last a very long time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has inspired you to make your own mugs. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and don't forget to check out my description below for the links to all the items that I've used today. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.